What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a fitness tracker. This is the iWOWNfit i6 HRC fitness watch. Now this thing has wireless syncing, notifications display, caller ID display, tracks your all-day activity, auto sleep tracking. You can have built-in alarms, heart rate monitor, calorie counter, sedentary alert. Now it has a 500 milliamp hour battery built into it, so it should last you about 10 days without having to charge it. It has an app and it is compatible with the iPhone and the Android, which is always a plus. This one's the blue one. You can order it in black and red, and then it also comes with, I believe, a complimentary purple band. It also comes with a 2-year replacement warranty and a lifetime 24/7 tech support. Oh yeah, it does have the purple. I'm probably not gonna wear the purple, but it's cool that it's there. 10% off for your next purchase. There we go, nice. The band, ooh, the purple band's nice. I like the design on it, that's pretty cool. Okay, so, wow, ooh, the bands are different designs too. They're not just different colors. I'm digging that, okay. This one is very much like a watch. It's got the standard watch buckle. And then of course this one is very reminiscent of the Mi Band. It's nice heavy duty rubber. It feels soft to the touch. On the back, oh, it's actually labeled open. So if you want to take this out, you pull that, Oh, cool. Okay, so it's that's a USB port. Okay, now I need the instructions. What is that for? Okay, cool. So that's actually for charging it. How convenient is that? Anywhere you have a USB port that has some sort of power, whether it be a laptop, a desktop, even an outlet with a USB, that's what that's for. That's actually pretty clever. I'm kind of liking that because this way you don't have to have any kind of cables. And let's face it, there's computers everywhere. So if it's dying on you or whatever, just plug it right into a computer. But here we go. On the bottom, you've got the sensors. And then on the top, let's see. I'm guessing that this thing is dead. I'm gonna go charge this for a little while and then I'll come back, but for you it'll seem like 2 seconds. All right, so it is fully charged. Hopefully, there we go. It's got a pretty basic layout. You got your, oh, come back, there we go. Battery, weather, I don't think it's fully synced up yet. Date and time. You also have this screen, which I kind of like that one a little bit better, but it shows your heart rate and your steps. They have the training mode, and so basically you can go in and choose the different sport. They got a bunch in here, very cool. It seems to, respond pretty well. Looks pretty good. And you just tap it, it'll go through these different, the different information, your distance, how many steps you've gone. So the app is actually packed full of all kinds of stuff. So you've got alarms, so you can set up different schedules for different days. Sedentary reminder, which is really good. If you're the kind of person that sits at a desk all day, you really should get up and move around. It's just good for your cardiovascular system. And this reminds you, it just tells you, I think it's like once an hour or something like that. After you've been stationary for so long, it'll remind you, hey, time to get up and move. And then you got things like smart reminders, caller ID, message reminder, SMS notify. You've also got different applications. Plus you can add more applications. You create your own profile and set your own goal. Oh, cool, there you go. I don't know what Strava is, but you can also link this to your Google Fit application. Cool, so it has a built-in guide. So if for any reason you're out and about and you don't have this with you anymore, it's right in the app. So you can put it on sport mode, basically. Choose your, let's say you've got running, walking, riding. The more information you give it, the more you use the app, the more benefit you get from it, because then you're gonna know exactly where you are, if you're progressing or if you're not progressing. I'm definitely digging the app. That's probably one of the nicer fitness watch apps that I've seen. This is pretty nice. It's very easy layout. Cool, all right. I gotta say though, it's nice and discreet. The band is really comfortable. It doesn't look bad at all. It just looks like a very simple, discreet watch, but very cool. I'm glad that it comes with an extra band. They didn't have to do that, but they do. Again, they come in blue, black, and red, and then of course you get an extra purple band. It's a lot more flexible. What's that sound? I have no idea what that sound is. Ignore it. I just noticed on here that this is system requirements, iOS 9.0 and above, Android 4.4 and above, and supports Bluetooth 4.2. What is that sound? Are we being invaded? What is that? Another thing about these, it's IP67 waterproof, so you're not gonna have to worry about taking this off very often, probably just to charge it, especially if you're a health nut, but you know, in the shower or something like that, this thing will be great. You won't have to worry about it at all. Going swimming, whatever. As long as you're not going deep sea diving, you'll be good. It's got a lot of really neat features. A lot of people have picked this thing up and a lot of people seem to really enjoy it. I can see why. I mean, it's got good build quality. It's stylish. It looks very discreet. Comparing these, like say, to the Mi Band. I'm a really big fan of the Mi Band. My girl Valerie, she wears the Mi Band too. Overall, I mean, they're very comparable. One thing that I can say that I think is better on this one is the app interface is definitely better on this one. The iWOWNfit is pretty decent. It's not bad. It's not a bad little fitness tracker. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.